Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. Now this is a very quick snack recipe that you can make for your kids or you can make for yourself. I got this from a chef's Insta page and I wanted to try it. I tried it, it turned out really nice, so I thought I'll share it with you guys. The ingredients list is given in the description box below, so do check it out and do subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for more such recipes. So let's get into the recipe. So you need thick rings of onion. Cut it like this and keep it aside. Make sure it's a little thick in size. Then you will need some rice flour, which we'll use for dusting. You'll also need some dosa batter. Dosa batter, not too thin. We need to coat the onion in this. So I've got all the ingredients ready in here. You take the onion ring, dust it with the rice flour nicely. You need to make sure it's coated from all sides. Now we move on to the next step, which is to dunk this onion ring in dosa batter. So again, make sure you coat it nicely from all sides. The rice flour will help the batter stick to the onion. Now on medium-high flame, I've heated some oil into which I'm going to add the onion rings one by one. Now we'll wait for the onion rings to turn golden brown from one side. Then flip it and cook it from the other side as well. So you can totally deep fry this or air fry this, but I'm using little oil to fry the onion rings. So I'm going to fry this till golden brown in color and remove it into a paper towel. Once all the oil is soaked, I've made a mixture of red chili flakes and salt, which I'm going to add on top of the onion rings. And this super simple recipe is ready to be served. This turns out really crispy and delicious, so do try it and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.